Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we'll be making chicken jalfrezi. Here I have already heated a large pan in which I will first melt around 2 tablespoons of butter. Next we'll fry some sliced onions, let it saute until light brown crisp by adding a little bit of salt. We'll then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix well, then add the chicken pieces. The chicken here I have cut into medium strip pieces. Mix well, then let it saute on medium-low flame. After it has turned a bit brownish, we'll add some fresh lemon juice, some dark soya sauce. Next we have some spices that I have here, which I have mentioned all the measurement in the description below. Mix well, then we'll add some chicken stock cube, which will enhance the taste more along the flavor also. As you can see here, the chicken is a little bit dry, so I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix well and let saute for 2 more minutes until we'll add some finely diced tomatoes. Give a quick mix, then cover and let cook on low flame until the tomatoes break down and well dissolve. Next, add salt as per taste if needed. Then add the different colored bell peppers. You may slice them into strips or cut into cubes depending on what you prefer. Cover and let cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and it is optional if you have to add little bit of water here. And finally garnish with some fine sliced onions. And that's it, we are done. So this was my recipe of chicken jalfrezi, so flavorful, peppery, colorful and very tasty. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.